Did you know the best chicken in the world took 1,009 attempts to nail the recipe? Bet you can't guess whose chicken that is. Confidence hack number 52 of 365 throughout the year. You actually get a bonus one because there is a 366th day of the year. If you want these coming directly to your email inbox every single morning to start your confident day off on the right foot, go to davidnurse.com, sign up for free. Think about this. Every difficult situation you have been through, you have gotten through. Profound, right? Now, I know we have talked about this type of overcoming adversity and resiliency, but I'm going to go a little deeper here. Think about this. Every difficult situation you have been through, you have gotten through. It's a profound thought, right? Yeah, and I know we've discussed this in different ways, the resiliency and overcoming adversity, but here's the thing, the old adage, whatever doesn't kill you only makes you stronger, actually might be true. Holding a job was very difficult for young Harlan in his 20s and 30s. A string of failed jobs, unsuccessful business ventures, and disappointment after disappointment. He tried his hand at a legal career, but that was cut short after he got in a fight with his own clients. Insurance fired from that profession shortly after embarking upon it. At age 30, Harlan decided to start a ferry boat service down the Ohio River. However, a bridge nearby rendered his services obsolete. Next up, an oil lamp business. The invention of electricity throughout America quickly squashed the flame on that idea. Failure after failure after failure. Finally, in 1927, Harlan took charge of Standard Oil gas station in rural Kentucky. 3 years later, the Great Depression knocked him down once again. He had been through everything: business failure after business failure, failed marriage, public humiliation, and nearly any setback you can think of. It all happened to Harlan Sanders. However, he never quit. He never gave up. Every setback, he grew more resilient. Determined to make it, Sanders marched on. At age 49, he spent all of his money and took out 2 loans to open up Sanders Cafe, but had to sell soon thereafter at the start of World War II. Not only that, the cafe burnt to the ground. All Harlan had left was a dream to build a successful restaurant and a pressure fryer chicken recipe that did not have a raving food cult following. However, the ever-resilient Sanders kept pressing on. After securing his first restaurant, Harlan was on the road in 1952, passing through Salt Lake City, when he stopped at a burger joint owned by an acquaintance, Pete Harmon. Sanders took a shot in the dark, and cooked his special chicken recipe for Harmon and his family. Harmon liked it so much it became a fixture on the restaurant's menu. Legend has it, that was the 1009th version of his chicken recipe. Harlan Sanders, better known as, yeah, you guessed it, Colonel Sanders, had finally made it. Kentucky Fried Chicken was born. And as of 2022, there are more than 25,000 KFCs spanning the globe in 147 countries. Harlan never gave up. He got knocked down more times than a title-fighting boxer, but he kept getting back up. Just like you can today. The confidence boost for today comes from looking at all the difficult struggles, setbacks, punches you have taken and using them for your gain. Everything you have been through, and trust me, you will get through the next. Now, you know I'm really into optimization and how to stay the healthiest, the mind, the sharpest, longevity, everything. I'm a nut for that. And I haven't found anything, literally anything, that has more positive benefits and improvement effects on the mind and the body than the hyperbaric chamber. Elevate Health hyperbaric chambers. Well, what it does, it can speed up your recovery from an injury. There are so many documented cases with athletes and they're injured and it heals the tissue dramatically faster. Also for concussions and brain damage, it's the number one thing that I have heard and I have seen heal concussions, improves blood flow, reduces inflammation. That's just in the hyperbaric chambers, but Elevate Health is doing something different. They are the top recovery modality company. They have cryotherapy, they have saunas, light therapy, vibroacoustics, PEMF, compression therapy, polar recovery, and so much more. It is worth checking them out. Trust me, Elevate Health, ELEVE health.com. Let them know David Nurse sent you. They'll hook you up or contact me and let me know what you're interested in, and I can direct you in the right way there. ElevateHealth.com. Do not wait. This is proactive and not reactive. Get after it.